Hey guys, Ross Gunn here. We're coming for a lap here at the Long Beach track. An amazing street circuit that so far I've really enjoyed driving. Heading down into turn 1, heavy braking at the 400 board, look for your apex, brush the wall on the exit on the right, and then set yourself up for the fountain section. Use a little bit of the grass on the inside to help rotate the car. Through into turn 4, again, use a little bit of curb, and then up against the wall, as brave as you possibly can be. Over the curb on the right hand side, turn 5, little moment there, lots of TC activation. Really good fun, and the adrenaline was really buzzing there. Looking at the 300 board, heavy braking into turn 6, get the car rotated. Be careful on the throttle on the exit as it's quite bumpy. Set yourself up for braking for turn 7. The car is working really well there, again close to the wall. A little bit of time to rest now before the turn 9, 10 and 11 section to end the lap. Braking at the 400 board, heavy braking, lots of bumps in the braking zone. Use a bit of curb again to rotate the car. Back over to the right to set yourself up for turn 10. And then again, just squeezing the throttle. Set yourself up for braking the slowest corner of the lap, turn 11, 40 kph minimum speed. Really important to have a great exit down the pit straight, and that is a lap of Long Beach. And I hope you enjoyed the ride.